Okay, in today's drawing, we are going to create this orthographic view drawing sheet. So this title block is drawn in AutoCAD. So I'm going to show you how to convert AutoCAD into SolidWorks entity. So this is an orthographic view, and if you right click and go to property, they can change the scale and the type of projection. So now it's third angle. Okay, let me close this file. Okay, now we are going to create the title block using AutoCAD. So go to the Window Explorer. It's in my next screen. I draw this in A3 size format. So I can just drag from the Explorer into SolidWorks. So it display this menu. So it says create new SolidWorks drawing, convert to SolidWorks entity. So leave this as a default and go next. So now you can see that this title block in the Y direction is okay, but except the X direction. So let's go next, and I'm going to shift the X position here under position. So you can see that the paper size is A3 landscape, unit millimeter. Drawing sheet scale 1:1. So in position, I'm going to change this one to +10. Let me but this one always come up. I change to plus, click again, and make it 10. You can see that now the title block sit inside this red frame. So we can say finish. So now we have the title block. This title block from AutoCAD. So now we don't need to edit sheet format. So for instance, if I want to give a number, drawing number, I just double click. So simply just key in, say exercise 1. Click inside. So now you see, so A4 landscape, so it's this paper size A3, so I just convert. So I make it A3. So the rest you can just simply edit. And over here you have the projection, first angle and third angle. So if I want to put a tick mark there, I can go to annotation and go to surface finish. I create a font, make it smaller, put the point, I put to 8, smaller, okay. Then I can get the tick mark because I want this tick. So if I said in this, I want to show that this drawing is in this projection, I just click. Okay. Okay, so this is a drawing sheet. So now I want to generate orthographic projection here. So I'm going to open the part. So this part I already drawn already. I just open it. So this simple part, you can use any part to follow along. So I go to my drawing one. Okay, let's go to view palette. Select this part. Okay, first and foremost, I drag the isometric view first. So as I want the view to be shaded with edges, so I just click this button. So I want to take this as a front elevation, top and side, third angle projection. So I go to view palette again. This is my front right here. So I want to go to my top elevation, side elevation. Okay, this is my front elevation. I want to show hidden line. I click this button. Hidden line visible. Okay, I think I made a mistake. So let me select this one. Hidden line visible. So now you have the hidden line. And it applies to all the other view because this is the main view. Okay, now I want to, every hole must have a center line. So I go to annotation. I click this button, center line. I click here. There's a center line. Similarly, this hole also need to have a center line. I click. This here, these are the two holes. I click. So I have my center line. Okay, say yes. So the center line is done. So the next thing is that I want to create dimension. So of course I can use model item to add the dimension to all the views. But after that I have to arrange it. So I just want to do manually. I go to smart dimension. Okay, dimension all the circle first. All click here. Oh, this dimension has too many decimal places. So I go to option, document property, go to dimension. Over here you can see that the primary precision is 1 to 4 decimal places. So I put it to none. Okay. So now this dimension display 40. Let's do for this one. Diameter 20. Do for this one 16. I can add times 2. Times 2 because these two holes same size. Dimension again, radius. Similarly, this radius also times 2. So I have some of the dimension drawn here. Next thing is that try to spread out the dimension. So now a dimension here, click here. Okay. I can dimension from here, the center, is 6. This So if I want to have from here to here, it's 32, okay. Okay, and the thickness here, click 8 mm. And this thickness, 10 mm. This thickness, 10 mm. So we have all the dimension properly done. Okay, so now the thickness here is 8. If I want to change the model to 10 mm, let's go back to window and go to this part model, there. The boss is short. Okay. And you see here the thickness here. So if I double click and change to 10, for instance, if I want to change to 10, let me save it. I go window, I go back to the drawing sheet. You find that the drawing updated to 10 mm. Okay, so this is how you convert AutoCAD drawing to SolidWorks. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.